started thinking like the colonists to know the true Ali. Started dropping it. The problem is we started thinking like the colonists to know the true Ali. Started dropping.
On my way to work, pulled over. Let's see what this is about.
Hey, sir.
Yeah.
Alright. The reason I'm pulling you over, man, is I was right behind you. We were doing 80 and a 55.
Okay.
You have license, registration,
No,
insurance?
I don't.
You don't?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't need that to travel. I'm a Moorish American national traveling to Morocco. I don't have to have. There you go. Supposed to get that to y'all.
What's the deal, man? Can you roll this window down? So
No, you can read that right there.
So I can talk to you?
I'm talking to you. Am I not? Can you not hear me clear enough? And you're also being video and audio recorded.
I understand. That's
All
fine.
right.
But
If you read that, you will.
Okay, you don't have a license plate on your vehicle?
If you read,
You tell me you don't have driver's license?
if you read the paper, it will answer
What is
all
the
of your
paper?
questions.
What is this paper?
Explains to you policy enforcers that I have the inalienable right to travel without a driver's license, insurance, or state issued valid driver's license. This, I mean, if you read the first two lines on that paper, it's on there, and it's.
Well, that's fine. I just, like I said, I don't have. You're not telling me any information. You're not telling me who you are.
I don't have.
I told you why I pulled you over.
You're absolutely right.
Right?
Right.
Okay.
For you pulled me over for what reason again?
Because I'm on the highway right next to you, and you're doing 80 and a 55 all the way up here.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Yeah. Absolutely.
That's against the law.
It's not against the law.
To speed?
As a matter of fact, do you have a supervisor I can speak to? Because I'm going to exercise my inalienable right to remain silent. Because you won't. I've given you the paperwork. You won't even look at it to read it.
Okay. Yeah, I'll get one started.
All right.
Okay? Go ahead and get your driver's license.
Let's see how this works. Oh, here we go with this shit. See how these clown bitches try to act today. So I don't have to. I'm being late to fucking work. The camera dirty? Must be. There we go. I've been pulled over on my way into work this morning for doing 80 and a 55, or so they say. All the time knowing that Your posted speed limit is a suggested speed limit. So I am waiting for a supervisor right now. And see how these clown bitches gonna act this morning. I'm late to work. Guess we'll see. Hurry up and wait for the process. Sitting here waiting for a supervisor, of course, because I asked for a supervisor right away after announcing that I am a Moorish American national traveling in Morocco. No, I need petrol. Need gas, yo. And I'm sitting on the side of the road waiting for a supervisor.
Good, sir.
All right.
Sergeant Avila, you were asking for a sergeant?
Yes, I was. I don't see the reason why I was stopped.
The officer said that you were going 80. This is a 65-mile-an-hour zone on the highway. Were you aware
Okay,
of that?
that's a posted suggested speed limit.
That's a speed limit. Not a suggested speed limit. It's a speed limit.
Okay.
Is that what the sign says? Speed limit?
That's what it states on the sign.
Limit, right.
Right.
So that's a state speed limit. Correct?
You are absolutely 100% correct.
Right.
A corporate state speed limit. You're right.
And that's the reason why he had stopped you.
Okay.
Also, you didn't have a license plate on your vehicle.
Right.
So
it's not required.
It's not registered in the state of Colorado.
It's not required.
Whenever you I'll let the car go by so I can talk.
Yeah. No, that's fine.
So whenever you're traveling on the state of Colorado roadway, it needs to be registered in the state of Colorado.
That's not true, sir.
Yes, sir, it is. That's the reason why we have license plates.
If you're a corporate entity that adheres to the corporate laws, then yes, you are 100% correct. You're 100% correct.
Are you a licensed driver in the state of Colorado, sir?
I'm not licensed in any state to drive.
Okay. So in the state of Colorado,
I'm exercising my inalienable right to travel.
You're required to have a driver's license to travel on the state of Colorado roadway.
That is not true, sir. But I'm not going. I mean, it's not an argument for the side of the road.
You either. I'm just trying to get this rectified.
As am I, because I'm on my way to work and I'm late.
My officer's just pulling you over because you're traveling 80 miles an hour and a posted 65-mile-an-hour speed limit. That's the reason why my officer's pulling you over.
Okay.
Okay. And that's what he was trying to explain to you. Is that
no, I understood that. I understood that was the reason for him, or his reason for stopping me. I understood that.
Right. So right now, all he's doing is conducting a traffic stop. So he's trying to find out who you are and explain the traffic infraction to you as to why he was stopping you. And that's the only thing he was doing.
Okay, if you can ask him, I didn't argue with him or anything. All right.
We're perfectly fine, sir.
Okay.
And I'm not arguing with you either. I'm just explaining. That's all, because you requested a sergeant to come here. So I'm just advising you of what it is that he advised me.
Okay.
And that's all.
All right.
So, did you supply him with your name and date of birth?
No, I didn't supply him with anything. It's not required. Here, I'll give you this out as well.
Okay.
I mean, this is Supreme Court law. So what you're saying is law that you're going by. I'm going by the Constitution, which you guys took an oath to, which is law in this country. It's law.
Right.
It states I don't have to identify myself. I don't have to have quote-unquote state-issued license plates, registration, or driver's license. I'm not driving. Driving is conducting commerce. I am traveling. Look up the definition. I'm just stating facts.
I understand.
All right.
You're certainly traveling, but the thing is, you're traveling on a state roadway.
Sir,
if you were traveling like on a rural roadway, things like that, that's certainly different.
Sir, I've run into state troopers, I run into federal agents, and the same applies. It's Supreme Court law, which is the highest law. It was the supreme law of the land.
Right.
That is fact. Right. That's why I have private property in the back of my window. Registration. I mean, it's. Sure. I've been through this several times.
Okay. So what you're saying is that you don't want to supply the officer with your name or date of birth or anything like that?
I'm not required to by law.
So what you're saying is that you don't want to?
I'm not required to by law, sir.
I'm asking you whether you want to.
My name is Tariq.
Tariq, thank you, sir. May I ask?
And I'm late to work.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. I'll be all right.
I'm just curious as to what your travel is. Where are you going from here?
I'm going to Longmont. I'm traveling to Longmont.
You're going to Longmont.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Here's your paperwork back. Okay. I'm going to ask you for a favor. Okay. You're traveling in the municipality of Thornton, city of Thornton, state of Colorado. Okay. When you're traveling through our city, can you please adhere to the speed limit? Not suggested speed, speed limit. So that way the officer does not have to contact you. Is that an agreement we can have?
That's an agreement we can have.
Very good, sir. Then you can be on your way.
All right.
If you're good with, this is the officer that stopped you, just so that you know who stopped you.
Okay.
Okay. And again, like I said, it was for the posted speed limit violation, and that you didn't have a driver's license plate on your vehicle.
Okay. And like I said, the officer will tell you I wasn't rude or anything. That's specific. Okay. I just wanted to make sure. All right.
I'm
Yeah.
totally fine with you right now, sir.
Okay. Outstanding.
There's no reason to be rude or anything like that. I'm not
Absolutely.
rude to you, am I?
No, sir.
Okay. Yeah,
absolutely not.
I'm all right, sir. Tariq, so thank you again. Please adhere to the speed limit, not suggested speed, speed limit. Okay, so that way you don't get pulled over. I mean, that's the easiest way to not
I agree.
have to be contacted.
I agree. I'm just trying to get to work.
All right, sir.
All right.
Take care.
All right. Okay. Does this road go over to the gas station, or do I got a
Yes, it
U-turn?
does. If you go up there, turn left, and it'll come back out to the lights right over there.
Okay.
All
Thank you
right,
much.
Take care.
When you understand the history from a law perspective, your view will change from it just being some historical flaw or some little dirty trick that the Europeans do. You would need to understand its political ramifications.
The problem is we started thinking like the